Al Pacino, di fuoco, gran cammino.
I'm going to listen upon the top of the vehicle, see it? Yeah, it might be a satellite in there from, what, I remember her name, Starlink. Anyway, Benji, make sure your sound set on the pot are cooking up. You see it? Yeah, with that money. Hold on, no?
Practice it free more.
Wala no. One time, man. One time, youth.
Wala no. Oh, you see this? Don't want you play around it. Here, remember the champion machine, man, the gun. So you know what, one Al Pacino.
Tell them Al Pacino. Tell them pussy they wanna pre no. Tell them man to shake man off Felina. Tell them say we go on the scene da. Tell them fake one dream da. None of them not bad like we know. Alright, and that me mean ya. Let me tell them one more thing, them no bad like we. I'm gonna watch Al Pacino music. Don't lose it, them can't feel that the king of fire don't talk about. I'm gonna say ice out of my top, I'm gonna shot. Al Pacino, out of my top, I'm gonna say watch and notice the talp.
One Al Pacino.
I'm gonna say roll, I'm gonna go over my top, I'm gonna get you in your town and know the sun, the king of fire down. Tell me the boy, show them up, show them how we. Say that them bad. No, they're not bad.
No, listen to the machine.
No, I'm not fun. What's the
Machine in here.
So we don't care about who them are, we still have bun them. And we not business who them are, we still have done them. And we not care where them far, still have done them. Cause we don't back from war, man, and bun them. We like Pacino, we don't care, we have a done them. We not counter, we don't care, we have a bun them. Mountain Dew say we don't care, we have a done them.
Big up. Al Pacino, big up. Yes, it's sound. When the boy, when them call Al Pacino near, other sound, you different Al Pacino, yeah?
This is where them are get you on.
We say,
Move up, little sound boy. Me say you just can't test this at all. A red sound, a rude dance sound, the bad sound boy. Red skin sound boy, you know.
come on.
We don't mean to brag, I say we don't mean to bounce. Red skin sound boy, the bounce. East, west, north, and from coast to coast. Red sound, deep one, some right sound. We a killer. Red yes, a true sound boy, killer. Oh Lord, move up, little sound boy. Me say you just can't test Reds at all. It's a 1, 2, 3, let's pause. What you mean? Reds International kill some boy, make them go on. Hey, we not bluff, we not joke. Either some boy, we cut them throat. Big up yourself, Father Reds. Let them know say, ooh, again and again. Reds, run dance out. Kill that some boy. What about? Hey, move up, sound boy. Run away, sound boy.
Everything alright, everything cooking. Son of them.
Move up, little sound boy. Me say you just can't test this at all. A red sound, a rude dance sound, the bad sound boy. Red skin sound boy, you know. We don't mean to brag, I say we don't mean
That's a king of crown in our own place. But in a real life, we don't care where we go or where we come from. Let me tell you this, hey, they're the most faciest somebody me talk about this. No sound, no this. And you see if you're this it, you're not this me. Let me tell you this,
You know, Rens run your dirty ways. Filthy, dirty ways. Measure on a plane. See the king, what you want? Rens International. How we know the pop and play? Rens plus a bun sound like them dirty ways. Them nasty ways. Filthy, fucking ways. I want to select a guy, them and them fucking ways. International no place. So me go so. We bun sound like them dirty ways. Them nasty ways. Filthy, fucking ways. I want to select a guy, Wow, wow. Yeah, man, I know man conquer every chapter about after I rabbit seed. No, 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 no. Wow, 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 wow. It's international. But tell them say, some sound I know themselves till the back against the wall. Fall in a trap and then sit down and fall. But that is the king and the machine ball. Oh, after all. When I'm gonna sound me still rise, when I'm gonna sound me still fall.
When I see that machine, yeah,
Jam him call, put on the average and beat.
back down, take a step.
Let me set this up. Listen me and you are. Some more get a go reach too far. Because you are right up your ninja. But I got that with your car. Every day nothing more. But like I said, Emperor Selassie, I want you now. Want you international. Want you now. Every man knows straight up. Everyone's telling this. We are the sound killer. The one
Desire.
believe when I say Friends International.
What about machine for the ground?
Every day, tell me why ain't nothing but a sound play. Tell me why ain't
What about the machine for the ground?
nobody tell me why. Hey, them days. Gonna kill them sounding around me. Rave International, I kill. Sound tonight, it's tonight, gonna kill.
No big man levels.
Rave International.
When you see them two youth, you don't size up. You face them proud.
Champion sound with a big box of jobs to kill a sound anywhere, somewhere when I make the beat. If other ranks play #1 dubs out there, to kill a sound much better. The single got nothing to lose. Friends International forever. Me myself got nothing to lose. Champion sound. Y'all never better get a sound here.
Turn up in here.
Listen, sound of good you done on the world with your tell. Your friends get the gun, names and royal. This friends international in minute you tell. Get original, yeah.
Boy, when you play them bunty there, I have play more than one time. I have play a few times. One break done. Oh, it's sound.
Hey, yo.
Hey, you the sound.
Hey, yo, you know it's Friends International, motherfucking niggas, you know we treat them, you know.
I'm the land zone.
You know, I gotta become
It's sound.
Hey, yo, bullet driving in the midnight Benz. The man called Benji. Hey, yo, what the friends of the man called Dix, the man called. Hey, yo, listen. Hey, yo, chill out. Listen. Well, sound of good you done on the world with your tell. Your friends get the gun, names and royal. This Friends International in minute you tell. Get original, yeah. You want your bread, tell. See me and me fire man, them style me like a bird.
When you see that machine here, let me tell you.
Freedom.
to she and favorite done them here. No she again. Remember check in here, thing alright. Stop us some song boy.
This guy, you know?
Do you know what you're gonna do? Do you know some boys when international will make you black and blue? You'll meet your Waterloo. And do you know what you're playing for? Is it to do the work of just to achieve a fancy car? Or support from Viva above? Do you know?
This is one of the songs from Chilani. We'll never get praise for boy. So we can't tell her this.
We keep killing that sound everywhere we go. Come on now, Red Sound. Keep killing that sound.
When I see that machine here,
Oh, come on.
you're trouble boy.
Keep killing that sound everywhere we go. Come on now, my sound. Keep killing that sound.
What that machine?
International is serious. Dangerous. Yes. It's only in the Father.
Those who put my trust.
Rose is so serious.
Talk about the every sound that talk about that sound here. But we can't tell them this.
Your mother is not everything good to be good to go.
When you hear some boy attack,
There is no water sound. Play sweet like Rain's international sound. No other sound can
play like we.
play crystal clear. I can hear it from afar. They sound mellow, so nice to hear. That's how we give it them more time. Break international music.
I'm sure the machine jump on their strip now. Some of them
No other sound. What the sound of them do? Them a push it.
murder. No one call the cream. See that question, who can see them?
Love what I want. We are tell the wicked man them to come on. Big man to them on the home. Oh, so the light like a star and shoot us that skin. God alone, that in our heart. God alone, they can hear it apart. God alone, we are now in that sound and walk. God alone, and then the day gets up. Too big for kill up and them waiting to come.
All, we might not have a license firearm, but anytime a son boy call your name, when the rings are dubbing I enter. No machine I play comfortable. Hurry, check.
See, we have them no know. Them want me come
tell you this. We have a next dance next year, you know. See it? You want to know we carry through? Half a column and be a speaker, let me tell you this. Cheers.
Friends International Movement, yo yo. It's so different when we kill you. It's not like any other. DB sound when Friends International play for you. Angel Bennett.
We're on the machine that you have different itself this.
The sound the boys by surprise. I knew that they would be too. Yes, the sound boys turn black and blue. Friends kill sound, kill them anytime. Rock up any sound boys wanna kill them now. Your turn. When international, you kill them now.
Lock up. Don't think of. They're going to play and don't play it. And don't play it for your life. Don't play it again. Now, big man, let me.
Come along, and make we kill another sound tonight. Surrender, murder them. Say come along, and make we kill another sound tonight. Because a long time now, when just a kill sound. Yes, my friend just string the sound. And make we make
You see a man pull up since here on a bike. And he say, two sound come from Treliani where the wickedest. And he say, play a sound from St. Pete. And when he ma reason with me, me say, make sure say, that sound late, no cross, some me party and stuff. And you know what? Means a sound you can defend myself. You could have bad, you could have play more, don't play more than me, me can defend myself. So me tell you, who do you talk about?
Raise the sun, sun we just pretend, yeah. The hypocritical sound system and never got the problem.
He's a boy, he never check the next time.
Sun we don't turn, yeah. The hypocritical sound system and never got the problem. Hold on, he just sound has to show and to design now.
How big man they do?
But raise
The next time, I go on and be a sound and string up on me, not kill nothing, me not take no kill. Make sure me a kill something, I swear, yeah.
when my you don't go the name, any boy test, quick.
You don't hear that sound there, what boy? Big up to the man, them out, don't think defend yourself. Some and they don't play them. I didn't want underestimated some this from Trelawney, but what? When the book with the next sound, what boy? Never be know. When you talk about that sound, you talk about Bushman. How many play the most Bushman pan don't play? Let me tell you what one. Bushman again. And that was that the baseline. Just remove it from the back. When you check it out there.
International, we keep on killing them for
Big Mama, you have a gun? The something that gun, you know that gun there? Point that gun there now. Some of them boys, Red that that sound how much year now. See? How much years him a do it. And it's still the same and they get stronger and stronger and stronger and stronger and stronger and stronger and stronger. No other technician and it nah burn up. You understand? And it nah burn up. See? Remember, so that's how you don't take it light. So when I play against you, you come with the all on the mic. Al Pacino do it. Yeah. Baddest and the roughest thing from Trelawney. You could have put 18 near low mid. You could have put 21 near low mid. When you hear the media, trouble in the camp. You understand? I'm not high. I'm not showing the guns. I'm the guns and so the all. See? Them say, yeah man, what possible like a 3-column motor road? Put out a 4 and 5. When we put up the 3-column road, them see them like a ton. Nothing like fire zone, big up. And remember, all sound that too, you know. One fire zone. Them 2 sound that come from Trelawney. And them represent Trelawney right now. You understand? And that sound there. But you know it come. Al Pacino. Do them sound, you know it come down. And any sound I'll do, you know a sound you can murder a sound. But anyway, I'm telling you, somehow I feel when example, you know, put me for your splash down and see it go.
Rex International sound, you don't know. Father Rex Station, it's a bench, you don't know big tune, big sound.
I'll never play an artist.
Next. Sure. Where the poor people believe it. Trelawney could be in the terms and see the judgment.
I can't sister like a laundry.
If you ever walk through the ghetto them before, if you notice who is unsafe and secure, so why want to taste now, them full of people go.
Drop on the machine, man.
Food go through me door. Did you ever walk out the ghetto them at all? If you notice mix. Sure. Where the poor people believe it.
So sound that come from a little country place.
Well, did you ever walk through the ghetto them before, if you notice who is unsafe and secure, so why want to taste now, them full of people go, because we have to win. Food go through me door. Did you ever walk out the ghetto them at all? If you notice how poor people them a ball.
Me believe, say,
Them a call.
if more than one son should up, don't pay for your fling. If me have more than one should up, you know what?
Them hear me out. Parents and that's some bullet in a sound guy, punch a line. Hey, you see them as some freaks on the clothesline. Them go back down to the near brand time.
Listen.
They know them life is on the line.
When you them say we not pay no anthem, we need to fight for the anthem, them like the plate for the anthem, them here.
On the clothesline. Them go back down to the near brand time. You them know they see ya.
But I said we don't need no gun to kill a idiot sound. But we don't need no knife, it just select a knife. And then we don't need no gun to
Set my money. Worry, big up, come on. You know the power lane. We on the power lane and play one little concert. Little concert again. I don't think Pick a walk around here. One thing me nah go do. You must see what you're gonna do now. When you drive come together, you post the video on the road. You know why?
Murder sound in the old gangster lane. No roads matter when we skip on valley. When them
And it's on the kids.
we rally, we want them all knock them off. Idiot sound oh, you get your blood shot, take it off.
Missy, we can't chant up in the box now.
Tell them, some of us show me all the honor. All of it,
Pick up to the man that move up in the tank and say,
show me all the sin.
listen one machine. When they see Anthony Missy.
Show me all the honor. All of it, they are the jump up. And so that's it. Show me all the sin.
All when they hear a boy call your name, say you no good. And they call Alex, some of the name. Hey, when we drop with big stone, I'm gonna let my gun, me don't shot that kill not enough. See? Don't get what I'm worried. But tell him, say, we trip up team someone, then free someone, and we see who good for who no good. You see that boy?
Shot to me, gun, no shot to me. Father Rex,
You see that boy there?
you see that, that's the boy. You ever feel like a
machine.
Why the machine is a same area come from?
Yeah, my boss.
So put that down, say same area come from. Let me tell you which machine you will go.
I love all of the done them. Keep them shine and twist. I keep my shot. All the can working on the gut. Let us go and turn purple. Let me come them get it. Lord, shoot the killer. We don't shoot on this.
Ease up again. As I may say, if you have a sound and the Al Pacino do it, you do not have a sound.
Batman sound.
Yes. Big one. But I understand your PA system different than pole box and I know some of the play against and sound like two pole box. See? So you know what go on? Big man levels word. Ready?
Big man. Big man. Ball gave me 10 billion.
Hold on, man. Tell them how go on. See? But this one.
Big man. Ball gave me 10 billion.
Big man, ball game.
Hold on, no, man. Here I go on now. See? People. Brother, my yard. Yeah, tell them now. I'm not supposed to hear that sound of a supersonic anniversary, you know. And it was post like a gun down. It was that 4 column, 3 column. You understand? You know the truck small. And then you go. And we work for each other the same way. So, we have to take time to do the thing. You understand? Sometimes, you know, you go somewhere. You correct down there. And no matter how you crack the transformer, you not get it. So, you understand? If you have a sound, and I'm an Al Pacino do that sound there, you do not have a sound, probably have a PA system where somebody have to go turn it on and tune it. See, in them system, they know people tune.
Oh, it's on going into the piano.
Well, we have to go behind and they play here. Everything going up.
Alright.
Anyway, here I go now. Here a machine play like machine. Big up to the real some person here who check it. That's not all of the life, you know. So big up to the real some person here who check it and do everything alright. So stop on you. And pumping gas. All of my pumping gas play custom Sunday. When you go to Al Pacino and pay for free, you know what go on. Saying, you could have deal. But guess what go on now? And I even gonna start talking the machine too, you know. While they go weak car. I'm going to fire the dog, them fire them regular. You know? So now, the next time I book with that, brother, you know me I'm going to do. You understand? Alright. Hey, alright, the time I'm juggling on one. So Al, and then book the day. Then book the place. And you know we just represent. And you know where you go. Song again.
Now here's the rest. Now this is when original sound of Paralins, Kuna, King B. Now this is natural and Kazwa. We are pressure them in the traditional system. Yeah. We reach the tendency of people now. Now it's not Pecos, salute. We reach the
This somebody makes song we get with most.
ignorant people. Hey, I love all of the
You was one certain song.
shine and twist.
Certain people still are real. I want.
Let a boy turn to them and them get it. Lord, shoot the killer when I shoot on this. One side of the hold it up, hold it up.
If you're afraid of them, send me go bust them in.
One side of
Let me tell them this straight.
shut up, all shut. Hold it again. Kill them on them dead go. Kill them like dogs and jungle.
These are boy, me not afraid of no sound. They are the bro.
We kill them.
Just put the name.
Again, we kill them on them dead go. Kill them like dogs and jungle. Them dead go.
I am not a sound whore. I'm going to do sound like I sing the picture. Al Pacino music and the rest. Let me tell you why.
That's international. Well, we got no time logic, no time church disrespect. Well, who's delighted that dirt give me no talk? To kill it is rent's work, that's what be dead. Tell them the range drivers, to me tell them scared. One thing I joke and try sell it and share. Oh, we walk and tell me to that bird. I kill it up, no, that's good. Big piece of food, we don't need a tick. Oh, them jump up, don't get me.
These are machine. We can't leave the chest any day.
Come get skill up, move on, don't dirt.
We can't leave the chest any day.
On this big bird, never find.
But me nothing, they tell me something.
Control on it, and you hold up, no.
man level. Only pussy taste dead. Let me tell you what. You never know where the business is up to me.
International, no song. A place like smoke on that boy like that.
No for all the run that AI. That's how no play so much new double. No care go down in the 80s and the 90s and find some song down there and play them. Check in the soul clash them now. See? And them can't go far than that. You understand? So you know say, when a big man level is worried, check out the soul clash them now. When you go 1v1, man a play Tommy Lee, man a play Vibes Cartel na 1v1.
Man, them a play with them have, man. No,
See?
man, them.
No, but big man levels, as a crocodile, stick to the culture. You can play where you know. But if the crowd no bias, you can't play a Tommy Lee against a John Holt and win. See?